So if you're wanting to get a step ahead of the competition and figure out what's going to sell in Q4, you're going to definitely want to check out the merch archive in Merch Informer. If you don't have a subscription to Merch Informer, I'll drop a link below. You can get a free 3-day trial, or you could sign up, use Merch On for 20% off. And let's get started. So, what's pretty cool about Merch Archive is that I could go back in time. And the benefit of this is that I could see what sold last Q4 and the year before that and the year before that. So, right now, if you go and search on Amazon, some things may not be like trending or have, that sales rank to make you be able to notice, hey, there's a trend here. So if we go back in time, we could see what sold. So let's just look at October, and let's go like October 13th, 2021. You can search your marketplace. We're going to search US. Just hit search, and it's going to come up. So you can see that Let's Go Brandon was trending last year. You can see Boo. You can see it, the estimated total sales. So 720 estimated sales. You can see pattern designs. Now this is the Disney. Don't try to make anything like this, but you could take what big brands do and kind of mimic that. So maybe you want to take a dog design or a cat design and you want to overlay it with little patterns like you see here. Well, that just opens a door. That's called niching down. So your main niche would be, the dog, and then all your other niches or keywords would be like pumpkin and Halloween and things like that. So you could also hit show. So show features. Now this will give you like the bullet points. Show description. Let's see. They didn't have a description on this one. You could also favorite designs here. And then you could save them. So say I wanted to make something in this category. If I hit save, I could come under, like Halloween, and then I could hit submit and it'll save that design so I can come back to it later. So right now you're kind of in the mode of just researching. So you got Breast Cancer Awareness Month. This is in October, so you can make things like that. You can see like 450 estimated sales. So this is a really cool feature within Merch Informer that kind of takes some of the guesswork out for you. So I mean, it's giving you the information here. These are like the top selling designs essentially. Coolest pumpkin in the patch. In October, I wear pink. I mean, that's kind of funny and that's very simple. Like, just make things that stand out. Like, this is a perfect example of something that's super simple. Everybody makes the jack-o'-lantern type shirts, but add some glasses to it or spice it up a little bit. Put something different, some other elements in there. So the niche down portion of this would be you got the pumpkin, and then you have the leopard print, and then you have glasses. So those three different keywords, and then you add Halloween, and that's four different keywords. So the more keywords you have that are associated with your design, is the better chance you have to make a sale. But we could also look in like September. You can see like, don't do things like this. A lot of these are brands. This is not a brand, but that is part of Dr. Seuss. Birthday shirt. But that's just a cool feature that I think if you're not using a Merch Informer, you're missing out because it gives you a lot of information. I'm not going to go through the other holidays in this particular video, but I just wanted to show you an example of how to use the Merch Archive, which is in Merch Informer. If you're new here, please take a second and subscribe. If you got anything out of this content, it really helps the channel grow. And leave a comment below and let me know what you're up to these days with merch by Amazon.